Try to see this real quick. Okay, so safety tips basically for crypto holders, so you don't get impermanent losses. Number one, test the waters with a small amount of crypto to transfer. It's better than losing your whole bag. Just transfer with like $4 or $5 if you can. Number two, diversify your crypto. Put it in different wallets, just like Exodus Trust, MetaMask, even Coinbase, different exchanges, and hardware wallets. You don't want to have all your crypto in one wallet for sure. Number three, do not panic sell, because once you sell, that loss is impermanent. You cannot get that money back. Basically, just wait it out, or dollar cost average is what I do. Number four, revise your address, the address that you are sending it to. So make sure it does have the first four and the last four. That's usually what I look for, first four and last four symbols on that. For your mobile wallet, get a 2FA for your wallet security. That's super good. It helps prevent hacks. Number six, secret recovery phrase. Write it down on a pen and paper. That's going to be your password for all your mobile wallets, guys. So no one will ask for this information. If they do, if they're scammers, do not give anyone this information. No one. Number seven, GUI, which is the gas fee of Ethereum. Make sure to wait for the GUI to be as low as from 5 to 30 GUI would be like the cheapest fees for transaction on Ethereum network. And the ERC20 only transfers with other ERC20s. I had a Matic on Matic main network, and literally what happened was I sent it to a Matic address, but the wallet was ERC20, and the Matic I was holding in the Matic main network was ERC721. It wasn't the same ERC, and it ended up in impermanent loss. So make sure to test the waters always with a small amount of crypto if you are not sure if it's going to make it there or not. So yeah, that's what I wanted to put you guys here. I wanted just to show you that because the other video was, I don't know what happened. But yeah, thank you guys. Cryptomaniac Sage out. Any questions, comments, please let me know. Feel free.